Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Zero electric motorcycle SRF superbike. Just arrived with only 12,000 miles, beautiful condition, heated electric grips. You can charge this at 110 volts or 220 volts. Come on by and make your electric superbike dreams come true with this gorgeous belt drive Zero SRF model. Price to sell at just $10,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.